It's Wednesday morning, January 3rd, 2019 at 5:30 a.m. And as you can see, the pumping system is functioning well. I completed the installation of this submerged pumping system at 10:30 p.m. yesterday, and happy to see that things are working well. As you can see, the floor is relatively dry on this side, and the water, of course, continues to come into the basement, but is flowing nicely downward into the pumping system, where the water is being pumped out through a hose that's being run into the basement basin and holding up nicely.